In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Slides presentation for an automatic slideshow. Whether you're preparing for a big conference, a classroom presentation, or simply want your slides to loop automatically, this guide will help you set everything up seamlessly. First, you'll want to make sure your presentation is open in Google Slides. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Slides from your Google account and open the presentation you're planning to work with. You can do this by locating your file in Google Drive or in the Recent Documents section of Google Slides. Now that you have your presentation open, we'll move on to starting the slideshow. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you should see an option that says Slideshow, or in some cases, it might also say Start Presentation. Go ahead and click on that. This step transitions your view to the full screen presentation mode where your slides will take up the entire screen, giving you a clearer and more focused display, perfect for audiences. Once you're in the presentation view, direct your eyes to the bottom left of the screen. You'll notice a small menu with several icons there. Among them is a three-dot menu, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this menu to unveil a list of additional settings you can tweak. From this expanded menu, you'll want to find and select Autoplay. Choosing Autoplay is a key step if you want the presentation to run smoothly on its own without manual intervention. Once you select Autoplay, a menu will appear with different timing options for your slides. This feature is particularly helpful if you have a specific time frame you need each slide to adhere to, whether due to time constraints or presentation requirements. Take a moment to consider how quickly you want the slides to advance. You might have intricate charts that need more viewer attention or simpler slides where viewers just need a few seconds. The autoplay settings typically allow you to choose from a variety of time intervals, such as 1 second, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or even longer. Choose the time interval that best suits your presentation needs. And there you have it. By using these simple steps, you've now set up your Google Slides presentation to play automatically. This is particularly useful for exhibitions, unattended displays, or even trade shows, where you want to ensure that your carefully crafted slides are seen the way you intended them to be. Congratulations on taking this step to make your presentations more effective and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.